y'all. More free PR and teens. What are these? Oh, I took a picture of this the other day. This is cute. Maybe I'll try this today. Maybe I'll do a video with all stuff I got in PR because this is really cute. I've never owned anything by Kaja, so shout out to Kaja. It's an eyeshadow stick. Look at that. It's nude on one side, and the other side is like glitter. So maybe I'll do this today. Ooh, that's cute. That's cute. She's cute. All right, let's see what else we got in here. In this box. Okay, colonized. Thank you, Kylie Cosmetics. Look, I've actually never tried anything by Kylie. I've heard like mixed reviews, so I never really actually buy it. So it's nice to actually get free stuff and be able to try it. I feel like the Kardashians got all the coins in the world. They don't need my coins, but we gonna try this. I don't know if this is new. 5.5 is the shade. I'm gonna wear this today. And all right, y'all. So I have to get ready for today. I have a million errands to run, clients, all that jazz. And I have a whole rack of PR that I need to review. So I thought I would do some video reviews on here. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If you've tried it, if you haven't tried it, this is Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I have dry sensitive skin. This is supposed to be a moisturizer. It smells like cleaning products, like very lemony. It's supposed to be a moisturizer and a primer. So I'm gonna try no. I feel like that was a lot, but it feels good. Definitely smell lemony. Like I'm about to be clean as hell. But I like this. We'll see how it holds up for the day because even though I'm dry, I do tend to get oily and makeup never lasts all day before I look like a disco ball. So thank you, Bobbi Brown. Alright guys, the next one is the Quickie Concealer by Urban Decay. Look, it comes with this little top thing, like a buffer. I don't use that. I don't know. I should try it once, but this is in shade 5050 WY. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, so I kind of just use it to sculpt my brows. And no, I don't fill my brows. I literally don't do nothing to my eyebrows. I just like push them up and then use some concealer because the older I've gotten, I've noticed that less makeup is more, less is more. I like this though. Like it's definitely like a little highlight. I worked at Ulta when these dropped. They smell kind of weird, like plasticky or chemically, but for the most part, they're very like creamy. They're not liquidy. They blend well. They cover well. I would give them a strong 8. Strong 8 for me. Come on, Urban. All right, let's try this little Kaja stick thing. Let me see. I don't know if this is like a primer. It's creamy. Wait. Oh, maybe I could do like a little cut crease situation and then like some glitter for transition. This is super creamy. This, I don't know. Listen, I'm gonna have to report back on this one because I think it makes it easy to cut a crease. But at the same time, because it's so creamy, for somebody like me that has like oily lids or wears my makeup for hours, I hate when my eyeshadow starts like creasing. So yeah, I mean, this makes it super easy to like create a shape and do a cut crease and then take the little glitter. Oh, that's super fucking cute. Super cute. I love glitter, y'all. I was a whole drag queen. I don't know. I'm about to come back. I do hot shit. All right. This is Brush 01 by Kylie Cosmetics. Vegan, cruelty-free. I'm excited because I've never actually tried anything by Kylie. Let's see, girl, what the hype is about. Because the girls be going crazy with this. And I'm like, okay. The brush is very soft. It feels like non-synthetic. Like it feels like real hair. And then the Power Plush Longwear Foundation. I don't know how long they claim to wear for, but this is 5.5. I might have to do 2 videos for this. Let me see what this is looking like. Oop, I'm about to break it. It's giving kind of cheapy, but most foundation pumps don't have like this cheapy kind of plastic. The brush looks really great. The foundation, I don't know, but we're gonna swipe it and see what it's giving. It looks like it might be a little bit dark, but I like to look bronze, so let's see All right, y'all. So it says a long wear foundation that seamlessly blends into skin, providing medium to buildable coverage with an airbrush satin finish. All right. Let's see what she is talking. Okay, what she's talking about. Ooh, it's giving like yellow orange Oompa Loompa ish. I feel like this is gonna oxidize. It looks orange. But let's just see. I can always blend this with something else. So coverage wise, she's there. See, she covers the blemishes. She's there. And I have a raccoon under eyes. So she definitely covers. I'm just not sure how I feel about the color. I think it's a little bit too orange. I don't know if all of her colors will oxidize. Or if I just have one that tends to pull a certain color. Like maybe it pulls yellow or orange. But coverage wise, I'm not mad. For medium, she covers well. All right, I'm gonna give this one to y'all without a filter because people always ask me this damn question. There's a million diagrams online about this. This is the Urban Decay. They sent me 2 concealers. This is 70 NN and it's a little bit darker, so I tend to use this as like a contour. But yes, the map that you guys see frequently online is like really accurate, and you should abide by it because it actually works if you follow like where to put the colors, where to blend. So like for my contour, I don't really let that sit because I want it to be blendable. And I think these concealers are really good for that. Like they're super like creamy, not liquidy, but just liquidy enough for you to like blend. So shout out to Urban Decay. I'm not sure what ingredient is like in there that makes it smell weird, but I like it. And then for the highlight, I use the lighter one, and then IT Cosmetics. This is the best concealer if you need coverage, okay? Thank you to both. All right, y'all. Again, no filter. I just wanted y'all to see how, like, heavy this is. And you have to blend this out. You just got to keep blending. Like, it takes a long time. If you let your concealer sit and get a little thicker and, like, tackier, the coverage, regardless of what formula it is, gets heavier. So if you need heavy coverage, let your concealer sit for a minute. Sometimes some formulas will matte down, so you won't really be able to manipulate them, so pay attention to that as well. But I always hit my face with like Evian or like a setting spray when I'm at this step because I want my formula to last long but then also be blendable. So this is the full face. Usually it takes me about 30 minutes to do my full face, but since I'm on camera trying to review some of these PR products, it's going to take me a little bit longer. But seriously, this is the part that makes the change, like makes the face the most dramatic, actually. That will make the biggest. All right, y'all, here's another one. So, Huda Beauty, shout out to them. Thank you, Huda Beauty. I actually think their products are really amazing. Look at this packaging, this little box. This is so cute. They sent me the new Cherry Blossom Easy Bake setting powder. I use it under my eyes, but it's too like pink for me. So let me tell you what I did, because I saw this online too. People have been mixing the peach one for if you have like darker skin tone. I don't have it, but I have the Anastasia one, which pulls really orange. It doesn't look good on me. So when I blend them together, it's beautiful. It works really, really well. And then I just use one of these little powder puffs. Oh, this one got one busted. All right. I get these off of like anywhere, Shein, Amazon. And so I'll just go in with that amount and I'll take some off of my hand because look how much is on my hand. And then I'll just go under my eye to set. Powders is what brings everything together. And it's beautiful powder. All right, y'all, again, I don't usually wear this much makeup, but I'm giving y'all a full face review. This was also free from Urban Decay. It's their Hydromaniac blush. And I feel like I have dry skin. I do a shit ton of powders, but I want to do blushes. And these have gone viral. Like creamy, liquidy blushes. They have a lot of color payoff, so you got to be careful. But that's too much already. That's too much. I'm going to be looking rosy today. But what I do like about this is that because it's a part of their Hydromaniac line, it brings dewiness back to my skin. So what I'm going to do is just hit my under eye with a little bit more powder. But this is super fucking, like, it's too much. Look. It's super pigmented. So the review is, I'm going to give them 100 because it's an amazing product. But you just need to use a very tiny bit or it's going to be giving way too much. I'm not a blush girly. I'm literally just showing y'all this because All right, y'all. This was free too, but it's super old. You can't even see it. Look, it has holes in it. Ofra. Some people say Ofra. Some people Ofra. I don't know. Baby, she's undefeated. I've been using this. I will continue using it, and I will rebuy it once it's gone because their products are amazing. I used the browns to go over my contour, like right here. And then I use the highlight on my nose and the peaks of my face. I really like it. This was free. I got it a long time ago on Octoly, now known as Skeepers. But it was also PR. Everything that I'm reviewing is PR, which is free makeup that I was sent for review. So, here you go. You're welcome, y'all. I do this for y'all. All right, y'all. This is the last step before I spray and set. Shout out to Kiss. Kiss Cosmetics. I think I've been on their PR longer than any other brand. They treat me so well. They send me nails, glue, lashes, you name it. I've tried their Falscara. They have classes, like master classes online led by like celebrity artists and well-known makeup artists that they invite everyone that's on their PR list to. So I've learned so much from them. I'm so grateful to Kiss. Like, they literally have been such an amazing brand to participate on the PR list. And I like literally use their stuff every time I do my face, whether it's lash glue, you name it, like the pen with lash glue. Like, it's look at the PR boxes. Most of my PR boxes over here, don't look at the background, y'all, it's a mess, but I keep some of my PR boxes and stuff that I still want to review or stuff that I was just like, I really love this brand. Kiss, thank you. Like, I love their stuff. It's amazing. If you haven't tried it, try it. All right, y'all, this is the final look. Shout out to all the brands that send me PR. I'm beyond grateful. As a professional makeup artist, I literally don't even have to buy makeup too frequently. I like to review it, share with y'all. I also use it on my clients, so it comes in a clutch, so I can make money and not have to spend money. I'm so beyond grateful. So like Urban, Huda, Kiss, Kaja, Kylie, Urban Decay, they sent me a big box. Bobby. And there's so many other brands that I frequently get stuff from. If y'all like the step-by-steps, let me know. I'll do them more often because I freelance a lot and always have to do my face. Again, on a regular, I don't really wear makeup, which is crazy as a makeup artist. But I like to play in it. I like to try it. I like to use it on my clients. I like to review it. And I'm also like super grateful whenever I get free stuff. Like, thank you to all the brands. And if y'all want to know how to get free makeup, hit me up too. All right?